Hey everybody, welcome back to Jacob's Crypto Clan. I hope you're doing well. It's a new day, it's the start of a week, a new beginning for opportunity, so let's crush it with some positive, momentum. And I just want to start with Bitcoin really, because to be honest, it's like the barometer of the entire crypto market. And it was quite interesting. I saw an article from Tim Draper, well actually on the bitcoin.com website, and he's a venture capitalist, but he originally thought Bitcoin would have been around $250,000 by this particular time. So he's actually kind of admitting to his inaccuracies, so to speak, but he thinks within the next sort of 2 years we will see that $250k Bitcoin. Personally, I still think $250,000 is a little bit too high. I think more $150,000 to $170,000, but within the next few years, guys, so we're not too far away. And seeing Bitcoin chilling at the 30k price level, consolidating in the way it is right now, as you can see, it really has just held this level for a long time, almost 2 weeks, between $30,000 to $31,000. So it is potentially a new consolidation range here, where we're going to see an explosive leg up or leg down for the OG Bitcoin. So very keen to see what's going to happen here with a $600 billion market capitalization. As for meme coins, we're still seeing a lot of positive momentum. We're up 1.5% on the daily time frame. So meme coins still look pretty solid, in my opinion, to be fair. $16 billion overall market capital in terms of its sector. So on the 24 hours, we're seeing lots of different coins pumping. PEPE 2.0, Shanghai Inu, PEPE original version, and many more. So we're just going to do a bit of an update video on PEPE and also PEPE 2.0 to see if there's any buying opportunity, what the resistance ranges are. And I'm seeing something that's very interesting, and that's just immediately looking at the price of PEPE, both versions. Here is PEPE 2.0, here is PEPE. And you can see the similarities. They really look similar, in my opinion, and I'm going to talk through why. So PEPE 2.0 has a $17.5 million market capitalization. The reason this was created, these 2.0 coins, was only to reel in noob investors, or at least DeFi degens in the crypto space, or these are people that already had a propensity to spend, or they like to gamble on these high risk, high reward tokens, because it's just something they love doing over and over again. Even if they lose money, they'll do it again. It's like someone that returns to a casino over and over again. So 93% upward movement here, and this was also the inception of many other 2.0 coins. We had Wojak 2.0, Doge 2.0, Psyop 2.0, there were loads, but here we've got the contract address, and you can see it's ranked 2600, and it hit the blow off top. It already had its blow off top on the 29th of June, and since then it's been in a continuous downtrend, and we can see it right here. I did call this coin all the way down here at the bottom, guys, and it did a 10x since my call in my very first video. It was probably very lucky of me. I'm not a genius in any way, but it's crazy. So we hit that blow off top, and that's effectively the result of extreme greed at the top of the psychology market cycle. So that's where you see your thrill, your euphoria, your excitement, and that's when you feel like you're a genius and you're the best thing in the world, like, whoa, I just made so much money, I can't sell because I believe it's still going to go up higher. Now that's the wrong thing to do, but of course it's already hit that top, and I just don't think we're going to see that correction or that retest here. I don't think we're going to see another 2x anytime soon, but I do think we are paving the way towards a buying opportunity for PEPE 2.0, and that would be the 0.0 to the power of 732 price level, and that's just down here. So at the moment we are getting those rejections. We're seeing a lot of large selling wicks for this coin, which makes me think that the sentiment is bearish right now for this coin. Now the bullish price action, we need to see a 53% pump into this resistance range around 0.0 to the power of $76 right there. Alternatively, there could be a 200% pump opportunity if it does return to this area, but I expect there to be huge selling pressure if it did, because what would have happened is people would have FOMO'd in on this range, and then they held the tokens. It got here, you'd have disbelief. You'd be like, no, there's no way this can't go back up. So it does go back up. You get a dead cat bounce. Then it goes down into extreme fear, disappointment, depression, and you are suddenly stuck. You are stuck from the FOMO that you got wrapped up within in the first place. So that's the ugly truth right now for this particular coin. So 10,000 holders, upside potential is getting limited now. So I would only be getting more of this coin if it really fell low, like really low, if it fell like back down to these levels here, like another 60% drop, then maybe I'd be quite inclined to grab some and hold for the long term, because this could revive like by the next crypto bull run. Here is Pepe 2.0 website, in case you've not seen it. It's literally very similar to the original Pepe website here, except they've just chucked like 20 in the the URL pepe20.vip. So here's the token, pretty cool to see, and I think it was really fun. It was a really fun wave. As for the original Pepe, this is sitting at a $723 million market capital. It's ranked 65, so it's actually a top 100 coin. I think this one will stand the test of time, unlike Pepe 2.0. I mean, there might be a tight correlation between the two. I honestly don't know. I don't know which one you prefer or which ones you got lucky on. But yeah, you can see we had that euphoric top again. Very similar to Pepe 2.0. We had this euphoric top right over here. You can see it on the charts, and I'll show you right now on Pepe. And here it is, the euphoric top following the extreme fear, the extreme greed, the extreme excitement. So now we're presented with this huge resistance range, which is of course a price target. We want to retest the all-time high. We want to see the holders, make their money back. But it's an 87% pump opportunity. But I think if we got there, it would be a massive selling pressure. So it's a very big day for Pepe coin. It is actually breaking out right now. It's broken out of this resistance range here of 0.0 to the power of 5, roughly 1.7. So we had actually a bit of a descending channel or triangle here, and it made a massive breakout to the upside. So hopefully we can see the next leg up. My technical price target is actually the 0.0 to the power of 5 2 price level, which would take us to the top of this resistance trend line, or this resistance ribbon that we've got drawn in based on the Fibonacci's. But of course anything can happen here. We're starting to see a bit of correction here for Pepe 2.0. There's 127k holders, just to give you some insight, with $12 million liquidity, which looks fairly good. I don't even know if it's locked in. What does it say? We haven't detected locked liquidity of supply, so that is just outrageous. The fact that they've actually just pumped so much without the liquidity lock-in. But yeah, tons of volume. The last 15 minutes this coin is pumping quite a lot. Now by the time this video uploads, it's going to be a different story, but fingers crossed we can see the price pump more. As for the next bull runs, way in the future, looking at this particular token, again it comes to my very simple tools of Fibonacci extension, just like this tool here. So what you do is you take to the top of the resistance, take the high down to the macro low. Be good to me, mouse. And now we're going to get some targets. So yeah, for me, we're looking at 2.618 next bull run target. Could it happen? Possibly, yes. If it is a potential next Shiba or next Doge coin, we could see a 3x from price levels at the moment that we're seeing today, which is a $700 million market capital. Realistically, it could even go much higher, depending on the amount of FOMO and how many people are entering the markets during the bull run, even up to a 5x plus. Remember guys, nothing in this video is financial advice. This is all very high risk, high reward stuff, so you've got to go do your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor. I just make videos on YouTube and you get to watch them, take in the info, and make your own decisions from there. If you are looking for a coin that's going to launch soon and it is not yet on any decentralized exchanges, there is one known as the Fug Life token at the moment, which has got 13 days remaining of its pre-sale. Then it will get launched straight to decentralized exchange. So if you like to look at this coin, do a bit of research on it, click the link down below. You can buy it on the ERC20 network by connecting your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet or however else you wish to pay for it. But they're really jumping on the meme coin sort of hype trend, the low market cap trend at the moment. They've got liquidity pool locked in for 3 months, and you can see the initial market capital is $3 million. So it's a low market cap coin. Potentially, if it did a 10x, it would take it to $30 million. 70% of tokens are sold in the pre-sale, and the total supply is 4.2 billion. There are a few FAQs here that you can look at in your spare time. So use the link, research the token, and get out there. Go do your own due diligence, folks. So thanks very much for watching this video. Here is their awesome looking Twitter page, so you know which one is the real one. And if you do want to jump in to some amazing signals within the Discord, please click on my Discord link down below. Become part of the Jacob Crypto Clan. You can become a crypto hunter, a crypto warrior, or a crypto champion, or even guess what? There's another tier, a crypto legend. There's only 10 spaces remaining. You're going to get access to spot signals, leverage trade signals, early access to pre-sales, whitelistings, all that juicy stuff. You're going to get free ebook, entries to giveaways. Honestly, guys, it's worth it if you are someone that's very, very busy and you need a little hand holding within the cryptocurrency market. So please check out the Patreon and Discord down below. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and see you all soon. Bye for now.